Hello, and welcome to this video on SpaceGass with simple English. This second video will teach you how to make members. SpaceGass models are made with members. A beam or a column can be put into our model as members. Members need a start and an end node. Members also have a material, like steel or concrete. And members have a section, the shape of the member. We will add a member between node 1 and node 2. We can click on Structure, then Members, and Datasheet. We can make a member by adding a member number. SpaceGass will put in node 1 and node 2 when we click away. If we have more nodes, we can change the node numbers here. Now we have a member between node 1 and node 2. If we go back to the member datasheet, we can see that for member 1, the section is 1 and the material is 1. What does this mean? We can change materials and sections in the Structure menu. We can click on Structure, then select Section Properties and Datasheet. We can create a new section the same way we made a new member. We can choose a beam section from the library in SpaceGass. There are many section types to choose from. We will choose a universal beam. We can click on 310 UB32 to use as our beam section. This beam is nearly 310 millimeters tall, and the beam weighs 32 kilograms per meter. This is an I-beam. We can see the shape of the I-beam here. The beam properties, like area and stiffness of the beam, are all here now. SpaceGass can use these properties to calculate the model. We can now see our member is shown as the I-beam. We can change the display from wireframe to a rendered view by using the display mode. Next, we need to add the material for our member. We know this beam should be steel, but we need to tell SpaceGass to use steel. We can click on Structure, then Material Properties and Datasheet. we will create a new material, material 1, and we will check the library for the material that we want. Here we have steel. We can now see the properties of steel, like stiffness and density, are here to use. SpaceGass now has all the information that it needs to calculate this member. We are ready to add some forces to our model in the next video.